Hey everyone, welcome back to Vacancies. If you are job hunting or looking to upgrade your CV, you are in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to write a winning CV that gets you noticed. Whether you are an entry-level job seeker or an experienced professional, I will take you through step by step on how to write a winning CV. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the 4 main types of CVs and which one works best for you. One is the functional CV. This CV is ideal for entry-level job seekers because it focuses on skills rather than work experience. 2 is the chronological CV. This CV is ideal for mid to executive level professionals. It highlights your work history in order, starting from your most recent to the oldest. 3 is the combination CV. This is perfect for intermediate professionals as it balances both skills and work experience. 4 is the infographic CV. This CV is ideal for creative professionals where visually appealing CVs can make an impact. Which type of CV do you use? Let me know in the comments below. No matter which format you choose, your CV must include these key sections. 1 is the header. 2 is the objective or personal statement. 3 is the summary of qualifications. 4 is your skills. 5 is your experience. And 6 is your education. Let's go through each one so you know how exactly to write them. Your header is simple but crucial. It should include your name, your location, your phone number, your email address, your LinkedIn profile, and your portfolio or website where applicable to your field. Make sure your email looks professional. No funny nicknames. Your objective and personal statement is your chance to make a unique impression. It should answer the questions: 1. What are your career goals? 2. Why are you the best candidate for the job? For example, I am seeking a dynamic role where I can apply my expertise in branding and strategic marketing to drive business growth. With my background in campaign development and consumer engagement, I aim to deliver impactful results and elevate brand presence. Now, let's craft a powerful summary of qualifications. The trick here is to look at the job description and align your qualifications with what the employer is asking for. For example, I am an experienced project manager with a track record of leading cross-functional teams to deliver high-impact projects within budget and on time. Skilled in process optimization, strategic planning, and stakeholder communications, I have implemented solutions that increase efficiency by 30% in my previous role. Your skills section should be clear and organized. You can structure it in 3 ways. The first is the proven skill way. This style focuses on your achievements. For example, I increased sales by 25% through strategic marketing. 2 is the creative style way. This is perfect for creative professionals. You can use a star rating to show your skill level. 3 is the subcategory style. Here, you divide your skills into various categories, such as technical skills, soft skills, or industry-specific skills. Your experience section should include the job title, the company name, employment dates, and your accomplishments. Don't forget to use action words and numbers to truly reflect your accomplishments. For example, I designed and implemented a personalized tutoring program that increased student performance by 15%, leading to higher engagement and retention rates. Finally, let's talk about your education. List your highest qualification first. It should include your school name, your degree or program of study, the year attended, the location, relevant courses and academic achievements, and any extracurricular activities or volunteer work. Before we wrap up, here are some additional sections you may want to include on your CV. 1 is the references. Some employers request for references. In the case where it is not requested, it is okay to put available upon request. 2 is hobbies and interests. In the case where your hobbies and interests align with the role that you are applying for, it is okay to include them. For example, blogging for a marketing role, or coding for a tech role. And that's it. Now you know how to write a winning CV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more. I'll see you in the next one.